The ultimate showdown, men versus women. The age-old question of superiority between men and women is a debate as enduring as time itself. This debate often devolves into a battle of the sexes. But is this a battle that needs to be won? Ultimately, men and women contribute equally to the rich tapestry of human experience.
Historically, men have often been viewed as the physically stronger sex. From hunting and gathering to building and protecting, physical strength has been a defining characteristic of masculinity for centuries. This physical strength often translates into other areas, such as assertiveness, risk-taking, and a drive for competition. Men are often socialized to be stoic, to suppress their emotions, and present a calm and collected exterior. While this can sometimes lead to difficulty in expressing vulnerability, it can also be a source of strength in challenging situations. Men are often praised for their ability to remain calm under pressure, to think logically, and make rational decisions even in the face of adversity. Furthermore, men often excel in fields that require systemizing, the ability to analyze systems, identify patterns, and understand how things work. This aptitude for systemizing is evident in fields such as engineering, technology, and mathematics, where men have traditionally dominated.
While men might excel in logic and systemizing, women are often lauded for their emotional intelligence. Women are generally more adept at reading nonverbal cues, understanding and responding to the emotions of others. This empathy allows them to connect with others on a deeper level, building strong relationships and fostering a sense of community. Women are often credited with having a strong intuition, a sixth sense that allows them to perceive things that others might miss. This intuition, often dismissed as mere women's intuition, can be a powerful tool in decision-making, particularly in interpersonal situations. Women are often able to sense underlying tensions, anticipate potential conflicts, and navigate complex social dynamics with grace and sensitivity. Furthermore, women are generally acknowledged as being better communicators than men. They are more likely to express their feelings openly and directly, to engage in active listening, and to seek out compromise and collaboration. This ability to communicate effectively is essential for building strong relationships, resolving conflicts peacefully, and fostering a sense of understanding and connection.
Section 4. Nature versus nurture. Unraveling the threads of social conditioning. While it's tempting to attribute these differences between men and women to biology, to claim that men are from Mars and women are from Venus, we must also consider the profound impact of social conditioning. From the moment we are born, we are bombarded with messages about what it means to be a man or a woman. Boys are often encouraged to be strong, assertive, and independent, while girls are taught to be nurturing, empathetic, and cooperative. These gender roles, reinforced by family, peers, and the media, shape our behaviors, expectations, and even our self-perceptions. They create a framework through which we view the world and our place within it. It's important to acknowledge that these gender roles are not fixed or absolute. They vary across cultures, evolve over time, and are constantly being challenged and redefined. As we move towards a more gender-equitable society, it's essential to question these traditional notions of masculinity and femininity, to create space for individuals to express themselves authentically, regardless of gender stereotypes.
In today's world, it's crucial to recognize that gender is not a binary concept. It's a spectrum, a diverse and fluid range of identities that go beyond just male and female. People are increasingly understanding and embracing this complexity, allowing for a more inclusive and accepting society. By acknowledging and respecting each person's unique gender identity, we can foster a world where everyone feels seen and valued for who they truly are. This shift in perspective is not just about tolerance, it's about celebrating the rich tapestry of human experience.
Throughout history, partnerships between men and women have been the cornerstone of societal progress. By working together, leveraging each other's strengths, and supporting one another, we can achieve remarkable things. In every sphere of life, from the home to the workplace, recognizing the power of partnership is essential. It's about collaboration, mutual respect, and understanding that we are stronger together. By embracing this mindset, we can build a more harmonious and equitable world for all.
As we journey through the complexities of gender and identity, it's important to remember that our differences are what make us unique and beautiful. Celebrating these differences allows us to embrace our shared humanity. We are all part of the same global family, each with our own stories, struggles, and triumphs. By fostering empathy, compassion, and respect, we can create a world where everyone has the freedom to be themselves. Let's celebrate our differences and, in doing so, discover the common threads that unite us all.